Hey, hello guys, Brian back here with another Filecoin update. Alright, you can see we are coming very close here to a resistance line. Alright, we also have a resistance line over this way, okay, that we're going to run into. We're going to take a look at these RSIs here in a second and see if Filecoin has a chance of busting through here. Alright, if we can get through this level here, I believe that this thing could really start going. Okay, I believe the bear market low is in after that Binance scare and that terrible sell-off back there. Okay, Bitcoin's, I believe, on its retrace here, and I'm going to show you some stuff here in a second that might blow your mind here a little bit. Okay, here's the numbers for the week out there for these altcoins. Look at this, what's going on. Even Filecoin's up 9.2%. Even after getting listed as a security. Forget that stuff, okay? That stuff's going to take years to play out. It just is, okay? Look at XRP. It's the verdict isn't even in on that thing, and it's back up to 50-some cents. So, just it is what it is. You got to move on, and I'm not getting shaken out. All right, you can see what happened on that chart. Everybody sold over here. A bunch of people sold. Down at $2.60. All right, it's already, it's back up. We're back up to almost $4 now. So, and you can also see over here, if you look at FTT over here, up 25%. That thing really has no, no meaning anymore. Really, FTX collapsed. That's the FTT token. So you can see out there, even a meme coin's up 80%. The chart's going to do what the chart's going to do regardless of anything. Okay, so let's move on here real quick. I want to show you guys some stuff. Bitcoin dominance. Okay, Bitcoin dominance right now. This thing is just ripping. All right, it's up 51.5%. Has a high for the week of 51.78. All right, technically these altcoins should be getting crushed right now. They should be down 20-30%. When Bitcoin dominance runs like that, the altcoins just get massacred. Okay, you can see hasn't been this high in a while. All right, back here it fell down through this area, but you can see back through history. July of 2018, that's when Bitcoin had its retrace from its bull run. That's the last time it was this high heading up. So pretty weird. That's what I believe we're heading into now, Bitcoin retrace. So I believe this market's about to get very, very interesting, right? If we move down here, the DXY, we keep an eye on that thing every day. And if you could, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate it, guys. We got a great group of people in here. We'd love to have you. We have bearish divergence on this happening. If you look down here at the bottom, you had a where are we at here? You had a higher low here, okay, and a lower low on the RSI. Then up here, you got a lower low and a higher low. Okay, exact opposite, bearish divergence. Expecting this thing to roll over harder, the DXY. Don't want it to collapse, just want it to come down. Make a lower high here would be nice. That happens, then that helps the crypto market really take off. All right, wanted to show you the total market. This is the total market cap without Bitcoin. All right, we're having a little bit of a retrace there. We had an inverse head and shoulders here. We ended up getting that breakout. Okay, it's coming back to retest that breakout now. If we zoom in, you can see that thing coming right back to that line and retesting that. This is on the daily. I'll put it on the 4-hour here. There you go. That thing could even be pulled down a hair. Let me pull that down just a bit. Right there would be the retest right there. So you can see we're starting to get that bounce out of there. The RSIs, the 4-hour still coming down. Okay, the 8-hour, the 8 hours at the top, the 12's at the top, but this is the one. Look at that weekly. The weekly's reset. Okay, and that thing is it's getting ready to really go. All right, so that's the without Bitcoin, the total market cap with Bitcoin. Look at that thing ripping out of that wedge. The weekly, same thing. The RSI is reset on there. Okay, so we're looking for a 702 retracement out of Bitcoin. I could show you something real quick that what the heck with it. I'll show you. Okay, that might blow your mind. The last time Bitcoin on the weekly, all right, did this price movement exactly right here. Okay. We take it down to the bear market low here. to where we ran up right over here. Okay, the weekly RSI down here ran up right through here, this price movement. Let me move this out of here real quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, there we go. Alright, we had this run up right here with the RSI right through here. The same thing, we're reset again. If we do the same exact price movement, okay, put that on top here. We're looking for a 702 retracement at a Bitcoin, alright, which will give us our retracement for this the end of this bull run, just like we got back in 2019. Okay, we have to have a retracement before we can have a new bull run. Alright, put this up here, pull it down. Look at that, right to our 702. Right, like back in 2019 when Bitcoin did it in June and July of 2019, we finally had our 702 retracement. Then Bitcoin dropped 50% after the retracement here. Okay, not with COVID, just a regular drop right there. Okay, right to here is 50%. All right, so if we pull up to the 702, which would be up at almost 49,000 bucks, 48,000 and a half, and we pull back 50% from there. All right, that's going to scare the heck out of everybody, but that's going to take us back down to 24,000 bucks. I believe this thing's going up there, coming back down, going to flatten out, then we can start our bull run. All right, you know, what do you guys think? I think we definitely have to have this retrace first, just like back here. Okay, just kind of common to have that retrace to the 702. All right, then we're going to have to cool off for a while. Next to April, we have our Bitcoin halving, and about 6 months after that, we should, I would expect our bull run to start. That's what happened in 2020. I was here for that. And if it's your first one, congratulations, you're going to have a blast. It's unbelievable. The emotions you go through are just unbelievable. All right, here we go with Filecoin. All right, we're on this date. This is the daily RSI. We're at a 188 here. Okay, let's pull up the moving averages. Let's see where they are at, the 50 and the 200. There we go. Okay, we had the 200 flip over the 50 here. Okay, so we're battling that right now. It looks like that 50 is coming right down towards us here. That could end up being resistance here, right at this first resistance level at $4.32. I still believe this thing's headed for a breakout. All these coins are popping out. Okay, they're one after another. One of these will be next. If you look at the weekly, look at that. It's at a 14 and a 13. Last time Filecoin was reset on the weekly, and this was a bear market. Okay, we had ended up with a 300% move. All right, right here on the RSI for the weekly. Okay, the time before that, Filecoin had right from the low to the high 134%. Okay, so but the time before that was right here. Just to give you an idea of what these weeklies. That one was 70%. Okay, so we're going to get some kind of pump out of this thing. All right, and it hasn't even started yet. We have two green candles on the weekly. The weekly RSI is on the floor. It's at a 14 and a 13. The monthly, look at that. It's at a 21 and a 23. It's bearish right now, but if that weekly starts to get moving, then all it's got to do is flip this blue line up over that orange, and then we have a bullish monthly. Okay, which Filecoin has never had a monthly run here, and since it came out back in 2020. So things could get exciting for this. Bitcoin is on a run. Watch that, that 32,000 mark for Bitcoin. We get through that, and things are really going to start getting interesting. Filecoin's not dead, everybody. I totally believe that. This thing has a lot of, I believe that was our bottom there. If you sold down here, everybody's got their own risk management, and I'm not holding on this long to sell at $2.20. Absolutely not. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon once we have some more price action on this thing.